Hello everyone. Now let us discuss question number 28 of GATE DA24 exam. Okay. Now consider the following tree traversal on a full binary tree. To pre-order, in-order, post-order traversal technique. We already discussed the binary tree traversal technique in our previous few videos, and in that we have discussed the example based on this. Okay. Now the question is, which of the following traversal options are sufficient to uniquely reconstruct the full binary tree? So first you should know what is pre-order, what is in-order, and what is post-order traversal technique. I hope you know what is binary tree. Suppose I have a root node, right? So whatever the element which is less than this particular root node lies on the left side of root node. Okay. So basically element less than the root node will be on the left side of this particular root node, and the element which is greater than the root node will be on the right side of this particular root node. So this is what a binary tree is. Now tell me, what do you understand by full binary tree? The binary tree in which the nodes have either 0 or two children, or I can say two subnodes. That is what a full binary tree is. It means that either this particular node should have two children, or it should be a leaf node, because 0 children means what? It should be a leaf node. For example, if I just draw like this and this. If you observe, for this node we have two children, for this node we have 0 children, for this node we have 0 children. But what about this particular node? For this node I have only one children, so I cannot say this is a full binary tree. Either it should have 0 children or two children, like this. Okay, so this is what a full binary tree is. Now let us consider this particular full binary tree like this. Now if I apply pre-order, in-order, post-order technique to this, so we are going to get a sequence of the nodes here, okay, in which we are going to explore this. But first let us discuss what is pre-order technique. It means that first we need to explore the root node, then I will go for left subtree, and then I will go for right subtree. Okay, in order means what? First I am going to explore the left subtree, then I will go for root node, and then I will go for right subtree. Post order technique means what? First I will explore the left subtree, then I will explore the right subtree, and then I will explore the root node here. Okay, so this is what pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversal technique. I hope you remember this particular thing. So if you observe, here you can see first we are exploring the left subtree, then root, and then right. So it means that by using this in-order thing, what I am going to get the relative order of the nodes. Can I say relative order of nodes? Yes. And if you observe this pre-order and post-order, it provides the structural placement of this particular node. Structured placement of the node, right? So in all the three cases, I will get the node in this particular respective format, right? But if I want to reconstruct the full binary tree, then which of the following option is correct? So the first thing is that, look at this option number D. If I know only the nodes sequence by using in order, I cannot draw a full binary tree, because it is giving me the information about left, root, and right. This is only applicable for this particular node, okay, for this particular tree. But what about this tree, what we have discussed? In that scenario, in order will not be useful to reconstruct this full binary tree. Okay, so in order to reconstruct the full binary tree, we want the combination of two techniques from this tree. Either it can be pre-order or in order, pre-order and post-order, or in order and post-order. So combination of two techniques are required to draw or I can say to reconstruct a full binary tree, because by using a single traversal technique I am not going to get a perfect order in which my nodes are. Okay, in the case of binary tree. So that's why to reconstruct the full binary tree, I want the combination of any two of this technique, either pre-order and in order, pre-order and post-order, or in order and post order, right? So if you observe, option number A, B, C is basically a combination of these three particular techniques. It means that option A, B, C are the correct one. So simple question, it was asked for 1 mark. You should know this particular thing. If you understand what this particular techniques are, then you can easily solve this type of question. Okay. I hope you understand the video solution of this particular question. And what is this pre-order, in-order and post-order technique. So please watch my previous videos based on the graph traversal. Okay. So that's it from this particular video. Thank you.